Periods can make your body feel a little different than usual. Mood swings, fatigue, bloating, cramps, and low energy are all common experiences. Sometimes even deciding what to eat feels difficult because your stomach feels uncomfortable and bloated. All you want to do is curl up in bed with your favorite pillow and rest. The good news is that there are several simple things you can do to make your period days feel a lot more comfortable. Here are some helpful tips. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water is important during your period. Staying hydrated can help reduce bloating, support your body's natural functions, and help you feel more refreshed throughout the day. If you're experiencing cramps, warm water or herbal tea may feel more soothing than very cold drinks. Keep moving with light exercise. Yes, you can still exercise during your period. Just listen to your body and avoid intense workouts if you're feeling tired or uncomfortable. Gentle activities like stretching, yoga, walking, or light home workouts can help relax your body and may even reduce menstrual cramps. Make time to relax. Periods can sometimes make emotions feel more intense than usual. That's why it's important to give yourself time to rest and recharge. You can try meditation, journaling, listening to calming music, watching your favorite movie, or enjoying relaxing scents like lavender. A warm shower or bath can also help your body feel more comfortable and relaxed. Change your period products regularly. Keeping good hygiene during your period is very important. Pads, tampons, and menstrual cups should be changed or cleaned according to their recommended usage guidelines. Always wash your hands before and after changing your period products, and dispose of used products properly. If you use a menstrual cup, remember to clean and sanitize it according to the manufacturer's instructions. Wear comfortable clothing. Your body may feel more sensitive during your period, so choosing comfortable clothing can make a big difference. Loose-fitting, breathable fabrics like cotton can help you stay cool, dry, and comfortable throughout the day. Keep the intimate area clean and dry. A clean and dry intimate area can help prevent irritation and discomfort. After using the bathroom, gently pat the area dry with clean tissue or a towel. It's also a good idea to avoid heavily scented feminine products, as they may disrupt the body's natural balance. Choose nutritious foods. We all get cravings during our period. However, foods that are very salty, greasy, highly processed, or excessive amounts of caffeine and sugary drinks may sometimes make bloating or discomfort worse. Instead, try nourishing foods like fruits, leafy greens, fish, chicken, beans, nuts, and a little dark chocolate. You can also enjoy warm drinks such as ginger tea, peppermint tea, green tea, or other herbal teas. Get enough rest. Your body is working hard during your period, so don't feel guilty if you need extra rest. Getting enough sleep can help support your energy levels, improve your mood, and make your period feel more manageable. Listen to your body and allow yourself time to recover when needed. Use a heating pad or warm compress. If you experience menstrual cramps, placing a heating pad or warm water bottle on your lower abdomen may help. The warmth can relax the muscles and provide relief from period pain. Now you know some simple ways to make your period days a little more comfortable. Do you have your own favorite period care tips? Share them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more self-care, wellness, and girls talk content. Take care of yourself, stay healthy, and be kind to your body.